Today I'm going to share with you top 5 reasons why girls are so attracted to singer Ruger. Especially they always want to perform with him on stage and they don't even mind if they came to the concert with their boyfriend. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Path King, where I always drop videos of artists, musicians performing on stage and other related trending news like that. So get subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out on any of this type of video if you always like to see something like that or always want to know more about what is happening around your artist or your favorite celebrity. Thank you. So I'm going to start counting from the top 5 of them, and I hope you find this video interesting or helpful. He's creative. He dares to experiment and try out ideas that are unconventional. He is ambitious and have the need for originality. He finds his muse anywhere, anytime, which means he could even sing in the showers. He has the ability to make simple words meaningful and inspire others. Most females are attracted to such traits as they find creativity rare in other male artists, or male genders generally, who oftentimes are stereotyped as rigid or dull. He creates a good atmosphere such that it uplifts everyone's mood, providing opportunity for sing-along and laughter. The ability to bring liveliness into a social context is deemed attractive to most ladies. Emotionally intelligent, Ruger normally makes songs that mean something to him, and women who actually watch him perform his songs get to see an emotional side of him, which some male artists normally do not show. He gives insights to women as to what actually touches him or motivates him to perform a particular song. This shows that he is capable of displaying compassion, empathy, or sensitivity. Attractive and charming. A lot of women find Ruger attractive and may not have a second thought going into a relationship with him. His beautiful glowing skin, average height, a bit slim with appreciable six-pack on his belly, plus a dark-skinned African Superman is undoubtedly the major reason why them girls find him attractive and charming. He has a bad boy vibes though. Whenever he sings, dance or performs his songs on stage, he has this bad boy vibe thing that is charming and devastating to most girls. It is appealing to some women. He is charming to the opposite sex, leaving them with irresistible urge to dance tirelessly for him on his stage while he continues performing.